And I get a knife out of the box. In the top. It's in the top. See? See? It's in there. Nope, 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 move it there. No, not yet. Okay, holy shit. Holy shit. Put the nano pedal, yo. Just hold get on inside and keep my ladder, push against the wall because I'm about to drag it to me.
Yeah, go ahead.
Just push my ladder this way, with your, towards the wall. Because I'm dragging it straight to me, baby. Woo! And then más abajo. Yep. Okay. Ready? Yeah. Grab the pipe. Help me diagonal down. No, just arriba. See? 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 Bajo, bajo, bajo. Arriba, arriba, arriba. Y eso mío. Oh my god. See? Just if you can get on third step, perfecto. Perfecto. Now I need this. So I can get my boots and my fucking gordo patitas arriba. Got it. Almost. Okay. And then I need to straddle it. Un momento. Ready?
Yeah.
Nah, nah, no necesito. Okay, perfecto. No, 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 en frente.
Arriba primero.
See? Y the backside. Now you just keep me stabilized there. Yeah, I got it, I got it. I got it behind. Yeah, oh fuck yeah, dude. No, I'm gonna come down. No. No, un momento, porfa. I'm stuck. It didn't, it's up all the way in the backside. Spin. Alright, do it again. Keep going. Perfecto. Keep going. Un momento. Perfecto, perfecto, perfecto. Uno más. Uno más, spin. Same way, same way. Yeah. Yeah. No. Backside first, back first by minute. You need to get the back corner. Flip down. See? And then do right here. See? See? Bueno. Bueno. Todo, todo, todo. Un momento. Now, arriba. Not arriba. But, pero. Un momento, un momento. Take that abajo. Todo abajo. That's the band behind. Okay, un momento, un momento. Here, take. I'm gonna lift arriba.
Yeah.
So it just kind of seats yourself better.
Yeah.
Un momento, un momento. Okay, one. Here, you need this one. You need to loosen. Oh, bueno, chico, bueno. Okay, okay. Go. One. One. No, no, no necesito. Oh, shoot. Okay. Bueno, nada más.